In this video, I'll be showing you how to import from other browsing apps to the Comet Web Browser. Now, say for example, you want to transfer your data either from Firefox or even from Google. What you're going to do is simply open up Comet and ensure that you're logged into your account. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and just tap on the menu icon in the top right-hand side. From here, you're then going to go ahead and select Settings. And then under Settings, you're going to select Import from another browser. So you do need to ensure that you're in the Hue and Comet section before you can go ahead and select this. Then from here, choose which Chrome profile you're importing from, as well as where you're importing to, so any profiles that you've created on Comet. Choose what you want transported and then select Import. Go ahead and close Chrome, so ensure that the window is closed before you can continue. And then the import will be completed like so. So you can select done, and then you should now be able to see all of your history, your passwords, autofill, and all of that stuff simply added to your Comet web browser. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.